In this video, how to activate Venmo card, cellular, I will show you step by step how to activate a Venmo card using your phone. First, open the Venmo app on your mobile phone. Log in to your account using your email or phone number. After logging in, tap the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Now look for the option called Venmo card. Tap this option to open the card settings. If you already received the physical card, tap Activate Card. The app may ask you to scan the QR code on the card. Use your phone camera to scan the code. Make sure the QR code is clearly visible. If you prefer, you can activate the card manually. Enter the last 4 digits of the card when requested. Now confirm the card information. Venmo may ask you to create a card PIN. Enter a secure PIN for the card. Confirm the PIN by entering it again. After that, the card will be activated automatically. Now, you can use the Venmo card for payments. You can also use the card for online purchases. This is how you can activate a Venmo card using your phone.